Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay, and I do lifestyle or beauty videos. So guys, I'm gonna be heading out. It's Wednesday. No, it's Thursday. Oh my god, I don't even know the days of the week. It is Thursday and we're heading out. We're gonna be alright, so this weekend it's what we call JBU weekend. So it's for the Jamaica Baptist Union. We always have assembly around this time. And for the first, where my sister and I are actually going to be involved in like the other services other than the Sunday. Yeah, well, not the first, I think we went 1 year, but yeah, so we're heading into, it's happening in Montego Bay, so we're heading into Montego Bay, and we're also going to be staying at the Catalina Hotel. So we're gonna go down today. Somebody reach. Yes, we're gonna go down today, and then we'll see how that goes.
I will enter his gates with thanksgiving in my heart. I will enter his courts with praise. Madam President, distinguished guests on the platform and in the audience, brothers and sisters all, a pleasant afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
We have come from different places, from hills and plains, east, west, north, and south. God has brought us together to worship Him, and we say, to God be the glory.
Amen.
It is my pleasure, on behalf of the Jamaica Baptist Women's Federation executive body, to welcome you to the JBWF sectional meeting, a segment of the Jamaica Baptist Union Annual General Assembly.
Lamenting his circumstances, he celebrates that his chains have served to advance the gospel. And not only that, but he rejoices that Christ is being proclaimed, even if the motives of those preaching are questionable. As we read this passage, there is an important tension that arises. A tension that also lives in our world today, especially in the church.
And I stand up, but I'm a saint, 'cause I'm a winner when I'm covered in grace. Winter, spring, and fall, it's on you I call. You get me through it all.
Alright guys, so this is the door. This is the bathroom. Bear in mind it's dark outside, so yeah. Tiny little bathroom. Yeah. Then this is the bath. Yeah. It want like an upgrade, but oh well. Yeah. Small. A little closet, well, a big closet. Big enough. This is the room. And we have a full-length mirror. Then we have a little TV, another mirror here. I don't know why it's behind the TV. Like this don't make no sense, but oh well. Bin, what do you call these now? Let's turn this on. So we got a little tea section here. So cup, water, the coffee machine. We have the ice box. Yeah, AC. Got 2 beds. Yeah. And then we have it's a ground floor, so we pretty much look to the, I call this, we'll go out right literally to the lawn. So yeah, that's on the right next to the kitchen. So guys, it was a whole drama with the whole coming in. We spent pretty much like 2 hours or so. They come in and I have to sit down and explain to you what I keep. Yeah, so I've been trying to apply for this to reserve a room for this place, right? I called about more than 5 times to get to this hotel to finally reserve a room. When I reserved the room, it's like I was supposed to be sent an email with the confirmation and everything. But I get the email, so I called back. They tell me that it will be sent. I waited about 2 or so days and it was not sent, so I had to call back again. And then at the 3rd time when I called back to get the email, that's when I got the email. Anyways, everything, we got the money together and we asked somebody to send it off for us and so on, and she sent me the thing and we sent it to the email. And it's the door to the other room. We sent the email, right? And then they told us that it will be sent off to the accounts department to be checked, to be confirmed and whatnot. But bear in mind, it's been sent from a NTB to a Scotia, right? So it was saying it doesn't process the same time. So on my thing, it was saying still processing. Anyways, that was from Monday. We sent it on Monday. And today is Thursday, right? Yeah. So we came today and ready for check-in. She said the reservation, however, the money now show up. Guys, we were there for like an hour or 2. An hour? No, say hour and a half.
3.
No man, me I say hour and a half. They were trying to find the payment. What is it? So they're trying to find the payment in their accounts. Can't find it. Anyways, so we ended up calling back the person that had done it for us. And she got here. When she checked, it's like it's saying that it failed. So I'm saying if they had checked at the hotel from the Monday and told us, we would not be in the situation. So anyways, it's a good thing she had walked with the actual cash, because she had sent it off something else. It's a good thing she had walked with the cash, because I'd have somewhere to stay, because God now let me down, you know? God now let me down. But anyways, I'm here to say parents, they're here for this General Assembly, and for their thing they booked through their agency, and them say be run around be them not settle. Like, get your act together, please. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready for bed, even though me just eat, but me tired, so we're gonna get ready for bed and then we're gonna go to bed. So yeah, I look like sunburn me because I feel like sunburn me.